Okay, so we've got our book of farm Hello, because little kids can read that, obviously, because I can read it.
Yes, yes.
We've got milking cows. If you just have a look at that, milking cows. This is how it's meant to sound. And that's a chicken.
That's a chicken. That's chicken.
Josh, can you do that noise?
Can you do a cow noise, please?
Right,
Can't do it without my hands, man.
what's the next sound?
The next sound we're going to go to is, let's have a look, the sheep.
The sheep.
The sheep.
So,
Can you do the sheep noise, please?
okay, here's what it's meant to sound like.
Okay, Josh, can you do the sheep noise?
Okay, nice one, Cliff.
What's the next one?
Next one. We've got a cock a doo-doo-doo. That's chicken, by the way, or a rooster, whatever you like.
Can you do that noise, Josh?
Okay, there we go.
What's the next noise?
Next noise is, we've got a pig. So this is what it sounds like. Just think about that.
Josh?
And the last one's a horse.
It's quite good. Thank you.
That sounds like it's being put down.
Thank you for watching, and goodbye.